Hello guys, this is the third lesson on our animation. In the three previous lessons we learned something about animations. At first we introduced the animations and tell you about this effect, entrance, episode and exit. In the second lesson I tell you about motion paths, and in the third lesson I tell you about animation pane. But what we are going to do here, we are going to learn more about animation pane today. Let me create three of them, like always. Change the colors to green and black. Then go to animation and give them an animation. For example, flying. We have all three of them flying. You see, in one order. I told you how to change the order. You can just easily move it up, and then you see the order has been changed, or you can just change the numbers. What we are going to learn today is going to learn about this window. What it do? It tells us the effects of the animation. It say from bottom, from up, from top, from left. It's this direction is this option. What is a smooth start? Let me just copy this page to learn more about a smooth start. Some of you may have guesses, but let's do what it's. For example, let's click the smooth start to. What is happening? Can anyone guess what is happening? Let me just create two of them here, and let me reduce it and just make them with previous. What is happening? You see what is happening or not? Let me increase the times. Maybe you understand better. Now see what is happening. The smooth start is started slower in the first. It's really tricky, but sometimes useful, a lot useful. A smooth start, or you can say a smooth end. When you put a smooth end, let's see what is happening. At first the speed are alike, but in the end it goes slower. You understand what I say or not? The smooth start decrease the speed in the start, and the smooth end decrease the speed on the end. But let's see about bounce end. See that? It's going to. Let me reduce the time for you to better see. Did you see what is happening or not? Watch by yourself. When it comes to end, it's like a ball going on the floor. It bounces back. If I increase the bouncing time, you understand better. Look here. It bounces. It's good topper. Let me create an example for you to understand. We see that the rectangles are not going above this orange line, but see, sorry, I must put it back. See, it's going up and down, it's bounce. And also let's see what is here. We have sound, I don't like it, and we can have color. What color do? Let's see if you see any differential. I don't understand very well, but it has many options you can use. But if it's not color, it's better. You can set the timing here. That options timing, we have it here. This timing. You can set it in this menu too. And you can set it to repeat. What repeat do? Repeat do it many times until the end of next slide, for example. And then what is going to happen? The thing is going to happen now is that it's not going to end. Sorry, I think let me effect option. I think I change the repeat. Start duration repeat. Sorry, repeat until end of a slide. Now you see it's going to repeat as many times as you want. It's some kind of useful when you are using motion paths. For example, let's see, we have this shape circle here, and we go to animation and give it a line color. No, I don't like it. For example, let's give it this complement. Go to effect option and make it repeat until the end. You see what is happening? It's really great. You can make it with stars, for example, and everything you want. Okay, this is the end of the animation lesson. I think we learned more than we should. You can change the duration here, delay here, unclick here. We learned more than we should. Until the next lesson, don't forget to like and subscribe, and ask me if you have any question, comments. I answer you. Until then, have a good day, and don't forget to exercise. Have a good night.